Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you today how you can edit an existing e-signature template within your DocuSign.com account. So here we're on the DocuSign.com login screen. So we're going to log in directly to DocuSign. And it should already bring you to your e-signature side of your DocuSign account. Once it fully loads, there we go. And over on the left-hand side, you can see the tabs across the top. Click on Template. And if your My Templates on the left-hand side is highlighted, you should be able to see any existing templates that you currently have here. On the right-hand side, you'll see three dots. Choose the three dots, and Edit will be the first option on the drop-down menu. From here, you can make changes to the template name and even the template description. You can just put your cursor in those fields and go ahead and make an adjustment to that. And then when you're done there, scroll down, and this is where you have your document. You can view to preview it if you would like. Just know that your fields will most likely not show. It will just be a sample preview. You can even upload other additional files that you would like to add to this template. Below that, you can set mandatory or default recipients to the envelopes for the future times that you use this template, including setting a signing order if you have more than one. And then below that, you'll have the option to go ahead and edit the e-signature template email envelope details. So you can change the email subject and the email message here, and even adjust the frequency of the reminders if you'd like to. Once you're done with this information, click Next. This will allow you to go ahead and make changes to the document itself, including adding more fields like signature fields or date signed. Any of the options on the left or ones that were already existing, you can go ahead and remove as well. Check boxes. Whoop, let's go back. There we go. So you can double click on your checkbox here and maybe make it read only if you would like, just as some examples. But once you're done making any changes to your document here, just click Save and Close. And now it will bring you back to your e-signature portion of your DocuSign.com account, and your new template or your existing template will have the save changes there and it's ready for use. If you have any questions about this at all, please give us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.